to play. Going off the rails on a crazy train. I'm going off